What's up? This is St. Joe, BoomandBap.com. Today we're checking out Fresh and New from Soundpack Flyer. Now, this is actually made by Riley, the guy that runs Soundpack Flyer and Beat Struggles. So this is his own personal kit. It's a bunch of drums, kicks, snares, percussion, combination, different stuff like that. So definitely got an urban, contemporary feel to it. So of course we're gonna go in, kind of show you how it's laid out, and then of course play some of the sounds. So let's check it out. Alright, so here's the Fresh and New folder structure. Really easy to find what you need because everything is organized. So let's go through some of the sounds. Alright, so just went through some of the sounds, give you a feel for what they sound like. Of course, I pulled out a few of them, put them in a kit, try to get some diversity going on in terms of the style of sounds that I picked. And so I'm going to kind of go through and play them by themselves and then kind of play them over a loop to kind of give you context of what they would sound like with some musical backing. So let's check it out. Alright, so hopefully that gives you an idea of the type of sounds that are in there. I tried to put together a kit that kind of, shows what you can do with it, and definitely has more of an airy feel to it with the layering going on, kind of a wider sound to some of the kicks and, snares and percussions and everything. Overall, I think it has like a urban, commercial, even a bit of an R&B feel to it. So remember, you can get this from the Soundpack Flyer website. You can see right there, $17.99, over 250 sounds. So really good price and a lot of sounds. Definitely has a nice creative feel to it. So let me know what you think. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. This is St. Joe, BoomandBap.com. And remember, anytime you're looking for drums, drum samples, drum plugins, drum instruments, you just want to know what type of drum sounds are out there, make sure you keep it locked to BoomandBap.com. I'll see y'all later. Peace.